Okay, so what we're going to do is look at the DAX, so the German 30. So the first thing I'll be looking for is from the low. So look at price action. That's the first thing you want to do is look at swing highs, swing lows. And what I have is from this low going up to sort of the next key area. That's my trend line in place. Yep. I always take it from the lowest point and then connect it to the next low to give me that strong uptrend, or just to define that trend line. The benefit of the trend is to show me the sort of the gradient of the price action, which direction it's moving, and how much momentum there is in the market. So we haven't gone on to meet that all-time high. We haven't gone on to meet that all-time high, being around 13,600. So we just stopped short of this, and the reason being, so if I just now take a horizontal line, so let's mark out, I should get rid of this as well. Okay, so that being the all-time high, and then I'll apply another one to the most recent high. Yep. So we had a lot of geopolitical concerns. Yep. So we had a lot of geopolitical concerns with Italy and Spain being on the main agenda. But what we're seeing recently is, okay, yes, we've had the break of the trend line, but we haven't really broken a significant low. That's my only concern. So I'd actually apply a Fibonacci. Yep. A trend is still intact, really. A trend is still intact, really, even if it breaks the trend line. Your trend lines, therefore, help to it provides support for price action, but it also tells you the direction and the momentum of the trend, and can give you buy and sell signals. But a trend is a series of higher highs and higher lows. So we got from this low up to this high, so that's a higher high, higher low, higher high, and we could still make this is still a higher low. Yep, so it's still higher than this previous low. Only when we break through this low, you can consider, yep, now we are potentially in a downtrend. Yep. So this is where I'll apply my Fibonacci to see of this retracement. Sometimes some retracements are sharper than others. So the Fibonacci allows us to view how investors who are in this asset point where they look to close their positions and start to take profits potentially, or even add into a position. So what we're seeing here is, okay, we've retraced back to the 38.2% level. So we've retraced back to the 38.2% level, and that has now continued. Yep. So we're almost seeing a double bottom formation taking place. So we're seeing on the larger, sort of a larger uptrend, a retracement taking place, which is a deeper retracement, testing the 38.2%, and we're seeing a large amount of buying pressure coming in at these lows over here. We're still holding that 200 moving average as well. So the 200 moving average has been respected. I'll be looking for the break of this previous high. So the break of the previous high could determine that that will be the next leg to the sort of all-time high.